Back again. I've rearranged my model display shelf a bit. I have put the Enterprise E fits well there. The Excelsior fits well here. Just make sure it's a shuttle bay. See, there you go. Taking the photo. And as far as Voyager, well, you have the 677 monogram Voyager. Although actually I'm thinking, put the monogram Voyager there at the back. Put Voyager on the stand in front of it. There you go. Put the landing legs Voyager. Actually, landing legs Voyager there. Voyager on the stand in front of it. And then for both the Rathacon refit and the Reliant on that shelf. That's good. And if you tilt Voyager up a little bit, as it wants to do anyway, you can actually do it this way. It's Voyager landing legs, Voyager on the stand, and plenty of room for other ships in front. Now, yeah, that's pretty good. Because now you can put the Rathacon refit here, and then you can have the Reliant there, and it'll be approximately like it was on the box. Now, you look at the Rathacon refit, you can tell that it is tilted to the right a bit on the stand. And even if I use the stand that came with the ship, it still tilts to the right, as you can see. But there's a good underside view of the ship. Actually, there's a good, wait, there's a pretty good underside view of the ship without Voyager in the way, really. Hey, that's wonderful. Look at that. That's beautiful. And less wasted space if landing legs Voyager is over there. Okay. And there we go, see? So you can have the, I don't like how it tips forward. It doesn't tip forward as obviously when I use the bear stand. Okay, so that's good. You can fit another couple in there at least. That's excellent. Making the best use of the available space. All right, and after this, after the Reliant, which will go right here, I think that's about as far as I can go with displaying the starships. And you're going to have to start thinking about the living room, or if the Reliant on the stand is not too high, you can start using the model boxes as you work down the kits. Yeah, we'll see how that works. Anyway, that's all for now from Sean's model room. And you can see the updated display shelf here. There's a good picture. And here is a good picture of the other shelf. Turn on the light again so you can see it. There you go. All right. So that's good. And I will be back when I've done more work on the Rathacon refit. So we're going to put the stand it came with in the spare stand section. So you always have a spare small stand, you have a spare big stand, and you have the two painting stands. And for the time being, we'll bring Voyager out like this. There we go. There's a good picture of Voyager pretty well by itself. And if you switch positions a bit, there is a good picture of the landing legs Voyager all by itself. And to go with the Voyager theme of all by itself, here is, it's kind of big because it's 677, but there is the best view I can get of the 677 scale monogram Voyager all by itself. So that is truly all for now. You can see the nacelle pieces that I'm going to do next for the refit on the other side of the nacelles, and then after a couple days I can then assemble them to the star drive section and start working on registries, thrusters, phasers, etc. Okay, so that's all for now, and we'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.